Body. Today I'm going to talk about Santhal uprising in India, and if I talk about Santhal uprising, we need to understand about the background. So basically, this movement was led by two important leaders, Sajid Sidhu and Kanu, and this movement was even led by some women leaders like Julo and Fulo. If I talk about the time period, it started in the year 1855 and it ended in the year 1856. So basically, it was a one-year uprising, but it has tremendous impact on India's tribal uprisings. And before understanding the whole idea of Santhal uprising, we need to understand the background. So, if I talk about the background, basically there were two tribes who were clashing among themselves. First was the Santhalis, and second was Paharia. And why were they clashing? They were clashing over the idea of cultivation. Santhalis believed in settled cultivation, but Paharias, on the other hand, believed in shifted cultivation. So, because of which there was clash over the two. But East India Company, as we know it being an opportunist, it came in, it mediated, and with its policy of divide and rule, it divided both the tribes and came up with the idea of ruling these two tribes. And in the process, East India Company gave the idea of Damini Ko. So this piece of land was given to Santhalis, wherein they used to cultivate, but they never do anything for free. So they asked these Santhalis to follow the system of Jamindari, permanent settlement system. And from here the story of exploitation begins. And this exploitation was something which was at all levels, may it be social, economic, political, religious, and all other aspects. If I talk about economic exploitations, the coming of East India Company led to the introduction of various other, systems like forced labor, bonded labor, debt trap policy, land alienation, barter system, and all of these led to the exploitation of Santalis. It led to the land alienation of Santalis. They were deprived of their own lands, their own rights, their own fundamental beliefs. Everything was, deprived. If I talk about religious angle, so with the coming of the Dikus, the outsiders, led to the interference in the religious beliefs. We know that Santalis were some tribes who believed in animalism. They believed in nature worship. They were so close to nature. But with the coming of East India Company, the exploitation of nature itself started. So this led to the uprising of rebellion and the sentiment of मतलब कि ऐसा चीज़ बिलीव उनके अंदर स्टार्ट हो गया कि वी नीड टू फाइट बैक विद दिस ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, दिस इज़ द टाइम. एंड ये सब तो हो ही रहा था, एंड साथ में एक बहुत ही इमीडिएट रीज़न था जिसकी वजह से संताल अपराइजिंग स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड दैट वाज कि ये जो ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी है अलॉन्ग विद मनी लैंडर्स, दे किल्ड अबाउट 20,000 संथालीज. They set 20,000 Santalis on fire, and because of which the Santalis also retaliated and they set police station on fire. So this was the major or the immediate reason of Santal uprising. ये हो गया रीजंस. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द आउटकम्स. आउटकम क्या रहा संताल अपराइजिंग का? आउटकम बहुत ही सिंपल था एंड बहुत ही क्लियर था. सबसे पहला तो संताल अपराइजिंग जब हुआ तो उसके बाद संताल परगना क्रिएट हुआ, ठीक है. देन सेकेंडली संताल टेनेंसी एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन द ईयर 1876. थर्डली रिफॉर्म्स इन पुलिस सिस्टम वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. फोर्थ, whenever a new policy was to be made by East India Company, they made it by keeping tribals in mind, by taking a forest right into consideration. So this is how it brought a major change into the Indian administrative system. And lastly, it had tremendous impact on the overcoming uprisings of India, like the Birsa movement or Ramaswamy movement, or even the 1857 revolt was inspired from Santali's uprising. And in the words of Karl Marx, we can say, or we have heard, that this was the only rebellion, the first war of independence, which was done by tribal group. So it had a tremendous impact on India's rebellion against the East India Company. So we need to learn about the Santalis rebellion and how it is a major game changer. When we talk about the tribals, it brought about assertion in the identity of tribals and talked about the rights. So this was all about Santalis uprising. Thank you so much.